flesh, ash flesh. Flesh, flavoured candy, understandings, never mind expanding. A never-ending journey, always yearning for the turning tides to tide me by. I lied when I denied, I felt remorse. Of course the recourse, common sense been spent lamenting dented pride. If I could cry, I'd try to hide it from my so-called peers in an attempt to steer myself clear of their sympathetic ears. And my prophetic fears are realized. I lost my mind a lifetime ago. Even though composed, I know the end that brings relief. It's ever out of reach, relief in systems administrated by hated traitors. Sees a steady rise as my demise draws ever further out of sight. And who denies survival of the fittest doesn't fit with the interest of big business. Take a loan and buy a home, secure the shackles and attach the blinkers to your own eyes. Convenience that circumvents awareness. Who could care less? Certainly not you or those opposing you. I suppose you know it's true, but choose to do just what you're told. It's getting old, but as it unfolds, it's entertaining. Brains restrained, refraining from opinion. Mindless minions follow fashion, live a life of passionate regret, I'll bet. But it's not over yet. We lost ourselves when we accepted hell on earth. Knee-deep in the death of culture. Vultures circle jerky corpses, hoping for an easy feed, which you provide willingly. In the process, killing the delicate sensibilities imposed on us by those we trusted, wielding love, a double-bladed sword. It cuts both ways, gaping wounds are left to fester, manifesting later life as victim complex and hate crimes. The state shines so brightly, manufactured, whitewash, fractured sanity, an underrated, overstated, estimated, pre-calculated rate of acceptable casualties. The tragedy lies behind closed doors, the scores of morons snoring through it all, echoed through the halls of history. Repeaters fire reports of dire consequence, deliverance unto the Father, Master of disaster, bastardizes our sense of some form of sentience. Don't look now, your life's spent.